The RAM ball track adapter installs on either end of the track system. Simply twist to tighten and secure into place. Twist counterclockwise to loosen and adjust, and clockwise to tighten. It's low profile, low cost, and extremely versatile. The patented ball and socket technology makes it simple to install devices. Simply use your double socket arm, your device with ball on the back. Simply place in the socket, easy to adjust to the proper angle. Once you find that angle, simply lock down into place. You can actually adjust the ball without removing the device. Simply twist counterclockwise to loosen, slide along the track, clockwise to tighten. The RAM 1-inch ball track adapter is perfect to mount a variety of devices including smartphones, handheld GPS, POV cameras, or virtually any device weighing less than 2 pounds on a kayak.